tell me again why we had to come here. Honey, we have to buy food and stuff. Are you dumb? Oh my god, don't call me dumb. Like, I'm literally your daughter. You just call me dumb? Honey, I swear to God, quiet. You get bag and you get thing, okay? Now you better behave. Let's go. You know what? Give me the wallet. OMG. Mom, there's samples. Can I get one? 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 Fine. We'll need this once. Okay. Just gonna go shopping. Can I also get one? Yeah, sure, Tinny. You sit with her. Yes. Let me get one. And let me get one. Let me just get another one. Can I have another one? No. One per person. Oh my god. Calm down. Oh my gosh. Just eat this. Yummy. Yummy. Please, can I have another one? Please, 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 please. 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 No. Oh gosh, you're so annoying. Let's just go. I need to buy stuff anyway. Why does it have to be so annoying? OMG, I need to get these. To stay up past midnight, I need my energy drinks. Can you give me chocolate milk? Yeah, here's some chocolate milk. Ooh. Can you get me a car? Fine. You can get... Ooh, I like this. Okay, you can have it. Oh my gosh, Bestie. I didn't know you were going to be here. Here, Liam, you go down there and hold my stuff. My stuff. Oh my gosh, Bestie. Hey. Hey, Bestie. Let me just put this on. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing great. How about you? Yeah, I'm doing great. OMG. Oh my gosh, that makeup, I love that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. But I have no money. Me neither, girl. OMG. I'll call you later, but I have a plan to, get some makeup. Yeah. You do? Yes, girly. Okay, call me later. My brother's over there. Okay, can I say hi? No. He's so, ugly. Anyways. Bye, Pookie. Bye. Give me my stuff. Okay, let's go. Mom, are you done with the shopping yet? No, honey, I'm not even close to done. I'm going to get some bread and some bread and some bread. I'm going to get some bread. I'm going to get some tortillas. Actually, no. All I'm going to get is vegetables because those are the only healthy things in the world. So, I mean, that's what, the influencer people say. So, I'll just get some veggies. Because fruits aren't healthy. I'm just going to fill my whole bag up with veggies. Some veggies, and, fine, one fruit. There. Okay, let's go, honey. Okay, Mom. Oh, you can get cereal. Okay. Wait, no, not that kind. This kind. Mom, those are seeds. It still counts, right? Let's go. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. You too. Oh, I love today. Oop. Hi, this is gonna be all. Yeah. Your total is, $175. Oh my gosh, that much for just this? Oh well, it's worth it because it's vegetables. Here you go, beep. Thanks. Have a nice day, ma'am. You too. Let's go. The security camera, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Cut it out. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're at home. Take Joey. I'll take your... No, I'll just put my stuff away. Okay. I'm just gonna put this away. Okay, I finished. Just gonna put that... Ma'am? Okay, well, just put that there. Close this. Honey, I'm gonna go take a nap. I'll take Joey, and he can take a nap too. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome, honey. Come on, little Joey, let's go take a nap, okay? Yay, my pretty princess bed. Honey, why don't we get you...
No, I want my pretty princess bed.
Oh, okay. Well, here's your train. Shouldn't we...
No, I want to sleep on my train in my pretty princess bed. Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, okay, calm down. Good night, Joey. There's something wrong with that kid. Okay, I'm just gonna go to sleep. Okay, I'm in my room. I'm just gonna call, Arabella, because, I literally, she was talking about something to me, or something, I don't know. Arabella? Oh my gosh, Pookie! Oh my gosh, Pookie! Hey, Pookie! Hey! So, you know the thing I was talking about earlier? Yeah, like you wanted me to sneak out or something? Oh my gosh, yes. There's like a concert or something, and guess who's gonna be there? Who? Conan Gray. What? And it's only this time. So you need to go, girl. Like, you can't just like be a scaredy cat. Like, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Oh my gosh. Of course I'll sneak out for Conan Gray. Oh my gosh, Pookie. Okay, here, I'm gonna set you right here. You're just gonna watch me get ready. Okay. Actually, no. Pookie, I'm gonna hang up on you and do a get ready with me on TikTok. Okay, Pookie. Bye. Okay, TikTok. Okay. Oops. Okay. Oop. Bro. Hey guys, get ready with me to go to a Conan Gray party. So first, my mom doesn't know I'm sneaking out, so I'm just gonna wear my pajamas for now. And I'm gonna wear, what should I wear? Let's see, no, none of these fit. I don't like any of these. This one, because I think my bestie's wearing something like that too. And I might, gonna have like something for after it. Ooh, this Conan Gray sweatshirt, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna bring this backpack. This is my preppy backpack. I'm gonna pack my clothes, my water bottle, my Stanley. Ooh, actually, first, you guys, I'm gonna pour my energy drinks into my Stanley. Okay, 4 can fit in there. And I'll just pack some extras just in case. Oops. Bro. You know what? I'm not gonna bother. And, I'll just pack snacks. I think that's it. Okay, guys. Bye. Love y'all. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my phone in here. I'm gonna go to pretend to be asleep until it's 7 something. So yeah. I'm gonna come check on my kids to see if they're asleep. Okay, she's asleep. Just close these. She's asleep. Okay, I'm gonna go back to sleep. Okay, think this is the place. Oh, hey. Hello, what can I get you today? Can I have a blueberry soda? Blueberry soda. Strawberry soda, please. Strawberry soda. 2 cameras. 2 cameras. Oops. OMG. And that outfit under the blue one. This one? Yes, that one. Okay. And can I have that green one? Yep. Here is beep. Okay, you're all good. Here are your drinks. Thank you. Here's yours. Cameras. And I'll just put the outfits in there. Okay, let's go, bestie. Oh my gosh, that was so fun.
Hey guys, you can't go in. What's your names?
My name's Vina Williams. And my name's Aaliyah Keshnut.
Bro, what is that name? Like, this is that's so disgusting.
Did you just say my best friend's name was disgusting? You ugly Beep!
You did not just call me that.
Girl, you want to be serious. Hold my bag. I'ma beat this ass. I'm gonna beat his...
Nah, bro, nah. Please don't beat my ass.
Okay, then leave us alone. Thanks. Anyways.
OMG. Is that
Cody Gray? Oh my gosh. OMG, OMG, OMG. OMG, OMG. It's Counting Gray. Oh my gosh.
Hey everybody, I'm Counting Gray. How you doing? Anyways, I'm gonna be singing Heather by me.
The next clip will be sped up because my singing voice is horrible.
I still remember 3rd of December, me in your sweater. You said it looked better on me than it did you. Only if you knew how much I liked you. You didn't watch your eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than the blue sky. She's got you mesmerized. Will I die? Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave me your sweater, just polyester. You like her better. I wish I were Heather. She stands while you're holding your hand and your arm around her shoulder. Now I'm getting colder, and why can't you hate her? She's such an angel, but then again, kinda wish she were dead as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than the blue sky. She's got you mesmerized. Will I die? Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave me your sweater, just polyester. You like her better. I wish I were Heather. Ah, ah, I wish I were Heather. Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave me your sweater, just polyester. You like her better. I wish I were Heather.
Rest of the concert when it becomes morning.
Oh my gosh, yes! That was so good. Oh my god, that was so good. Sorry guys, I'm just checking if my thing was on because I had to record that singing scene like twice because it wasn't on. Like the voice thing wasn't on. Anyways, OMG, we should go now, but like that was so good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna check the time real quick. I mean, it's light out, but I don't think it's that like wait. Let me check the time. Put these back. OMG. Bestie? Bestie? Yeah, it's probably like only like
maybe like 3 a.m., something like that. Maybe it's just getting light earlier. No, bestie. It's 7 a.m. My mom comes in at 7:40 and it takes us 30 minutes to get there. Uh-oh. OMG. Ah, we better run. Ooh. Close.
Okay, well, I finished unpacking everything and all my stuff. I covered it with my clothes. Sort of like, hopefully she doesn't find it, but like yeah. Blah 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 blah.
What the freak is that noise? Blah 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 blah. Stop.
I think that's my mummy. I should get to bed.
I'm gonna go check what's going on. Okay, my little angel Timmy is asleep, and my little child is asleep too. Why was she yelling? What's this? A camera. Why would she need a camera? Okay, close. Oh my gosh. Wake up, brat.
Oh my gosh, Mom, where you at? I just got home. I mean, I
You went to a Harry Styles concert. No, Mom. It was literally Conan Gray. Now give me back my energy drinks. No, you are not getting these back for a whole year. Now, goodbye. No, please. No. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.